Hi, my kids. It's Miss Carolyn here, and today we're going to be doing lesson 5 from April, and it's the article Earning, Spending, Saving. And there's 2 activities on here, so we'll do one activity and then I'll go into the next, but make sure to save activity 2 for the next day. You won't do this all in one sitting. All right, so our learning goal is the student will remember one thing people do with their money. All right. So we've been talking about money all month now and how we spend our money, and we spend our money on things that we need or things that we want. So can you think, what is something you need to buy? Do you need food or do you need toys? Yes, we definitely need food. We need that cheeseburger to fill up our bellies. Toys are something that we want. All right, while we read our article, I want you all to look out for our vocabulary words. I'll read the ones that you're going to see quite often in the article. Need, save, spend, work, earn, money, bank. Those are the vocabularies you're going to see most often in our story. If you see them, I want you to point to them with your finger or circle them with your finger. Some of them I've color-coded green, so that's a hint. Look for those words that are in the color green. All right, we're going to turn the page. So once again, students, what is our goal today? Yes, I will remember one thing people do with their money. And the title of our article is Earning, Spending, Saving. Everyone wants money. Everyone needs money. Where do people get money? What do people do with money? Where do people get money? What do they do with it? Well, we're going to find out, okay? Let's turn the page. People can earn money by working. You can take out the trash, wash the dishes. Maybe you've done some chores this week to earn money. You're working to earn money. People can earn money by helping others. Maybe you help your brother or sister with their homework. Maybe you help pick up trash. That's helping the environment, Earth. You're helping everyone when you're helping planet Earth. So I want you all to tell me, how can people earn money? And look, those are our vocabulary words right there. I put them in the color green for you, so they're easy to spot. Can you point to them? Earn money. How can people earn money? Can they earn money by sleeping, working, or watching TV? That's right, working. You work to earn money. Well, you're not going to earn any money if you're sleeping or watching TV. People can choose to spend their money. People can choose to save their money. They can spend their money, maybe at Walmart's or Target or McDonald's. They can spend it, or they can save it. People spend money on things they need. Something we need is food, water. People spend money on things they want. Something we want is maybe toys, clothes. Yes, we need clothes, but sometimes we have too much clothes and we're really just buying them because we want them. So what do people do with money? What color is that word? Is it red or is it green? It's green, and that is one of our vocabulary words, money. What do people do with money? Yes, they can spend it at Walmart or McDonald's. McDonald's. Or they can save it. See, he's putting it in his piggy bank. Let's turn the page, friends. People save money by keeping it in a safe place. People save money at the bank. People save money at home. That might be when you put it in your piggy bank. Maybe you have a piggy bank at home. Where is a safe place to keep money? In our car or at home? Yes, at home. A safe place to keep money is at home. Not in our car. We do not want to keep money in our car. Do you earn money? Boys and girls, do you earn money? Do you do chores at home? Do you save or spend money? If you earn money, I want you to point to the yes sign up here, the green face. If you do not earn money, then point to no. No, I do not earn money. Do you save money? Yes or no? Do you spend money? Yes or no? All right. And that's it for activity 1, everyone. I want you to review this story tomorrow with mom and dad, and then you will do activity 2, which is some comprehension questions. Okay, you all did great. I love and miss you. Bye.